Restaurant Edition.
Hey y'all, say hi. That's a show, but guys, it's so hot. Hi. Hi, I'm Russell. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Arlo. I'm Harmonic Ranger.
I'm Jazzy, y'all. Wait. Ay! Ikaw ba yung ano?
I'm Harmonic Ranger. You are?
Ay, naka-video pala. Akala ko naman naka-picture ko sa Shopee. Sige. So, yan guys. We're here. Walking. Sobrang entitled ng mga piloto na to. Sobrang dami. Papali pa rin lahat ng eroplano. Pag may napagod, palit. Galing din naman pag nagkailadaan eh. Training!
You may occupy the seats at the back of the entrance.
Of course, Mr. Gate, this is the moment where speakers
And can never be seen what to do. That can never be taught. It's hard to take it here. And cannot be Sir Ken, do you have any idea? Sir Ken, do you have any idea? By the way, sir, what are you
Got the beam for grade 8 is now starting.
celebration. Our debate.
Before I close and fellow debaters. Today we are here to talk about the spread of English that contributes to the decline of indigenous languages. As Tamal said, we strongly believe that education is helpful, but it is not necessary for success and education of certain indigenous communities. First, let's think about our own language. Like Filipino, Tagalog, Bisaya, Ilocano, and Manila.
To advance our nation, but not to erase the rich cultural heritage of our nation. This is why we must be precise. This is why our point is not we will erase our heritage, but furthermore just add on to it. Thank you.
In 1 clap, 2 claps, 3 claps, and give me thousands of claps. Easy.
Hi guys!
That's quite big. Impressive.
This is me.
Awarding na.
Artemis.